Hi there, welcome to the administrative side of Gilly. Today we're taking a look at how to help an applicant. As an administrator, you may sometimes need to assist an applicant with their permit. On the Permits landing page, you'll see the Help Applicant button. In order to edit or add details to a permit on behalf of someone else, the applicant must already have a Gilly account. First, you get permission from the applicant, and then enter the applicant's email address to proceed. Make sure that the email address is correct. The system will not allow progress without a valid account match. Also, the applicant should log into their account at the same time. Since this applicant gave permission, we're able to start a new application or make edits now. Applications are sorted by date from newest to oldest, and there's also the ability to use the duplication tool. Let's make some changes. Note that the applicant should also log into their account so both parties can look at the changes in real time. Click a different tab to save your progress. The Back button takes you back to the admin panel. The application remains linked to the applicant's account for ownership and tracking. The applicant must add a new signature and then submit the permit. A common question is, how is the Help button different from selecting the CD Agency Use button within a permit? The Help Applicant option allows you to work directly within the applicant's permit, while keeping them as the owner before it is submitted to Gilly. The CD Agency Use button is for administrative or internal use only once an application is submitted within the system. This is covered in more detail in another video. And that's it. Have questions? Explore Gilly's helpful resources or contact info@gilly.org to learn more about getting set up with an administrative account. Thank you.